Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, friends. Hello, you game developers out there. Hello, you game lovers out there. Welcome to the Photon Multiplayer Unity tutorial series. In last video, I just gave you a quick overview of the Photon SDK, or just give you a quick walkthrough of the Photon SDK. Friends, in this video, we'll be talking about how to just create a sample project or sample scene and how to start using the Photon networking API in your game. So friends, let's get started. Friends, how I usually manage my project is I just create a new folder in the assets and just name it project data, so that all my project related data is under this folder. So I just, and all other APIs or all other plugins are outside of this. For external plugins that I am using are outside of this, and all the project related data that I have created or I am using inside my scenes that I have created or borrowed from someone else, that is not some part of some assets. Anything else I just use inside this, and other things I just use outside of this. Okay friends, here I just have created this project and I just imported the scenes folder already. Now there is a sample scenes. We will open it, just create. Then there is all a main camera and direction light. So we will be creating a create empty object and we'll be naming it like Photon connection manager, and also making a script of this name also. Friends, what I really do is I always give a prefix to every script I create, so that so that I know that this script was created by me and not from someone else, and so that it helps me to keep track of all the various scripts I use, so that I incidentally don't have multiple scripts having the same name. So this is the thing I usually do, and that helps me a lot in my projects. We have just created this script and it will be open up in the Visual Studio. Okay friends, our script has been opened up, and what we'll be doing, okay friends, our script has been opened up, and what we'll be doing in this is using photon.pun, and here what we'll be doing is using photon what we'll be doing like photon dot pun dot, what we'll be using here is mono behavior pun callbacks. Friends, if you can see this, if we are overriding this class, then we get all the pun and all callbacks events, then pun on a call. Override the events that you want to use. Now if we want to go and see what are the overridden methods, we just have to right click here, or implement, or we just can go to the like edit settings. If we want to override all the like methods, we have to just go to the like here this part where it gives you that settings. One second, little bit, it's just taking some time, I'm just not remembering. Okay, view, override. Okay, my goodness. Okay, so we can also go to the definition of this class also. So now here they have provided us all the method. Okay, here it is. This class is a long bit. I connection, mono behavior pun, I in lobby, I lobby callbacks. Okay, now this class I've already implemented a lot of uh, I already have implemented a lot of, and we just want to override some function, like we'll be like overriding public override. Now if you write this, you get the list of all the functions that you can override it. So what we'll be overriding is like this. We'll be like, first of all, in this video we'll be going step by step. So first we'll be on connected to master servers. This will be overrided. This class will be overrided. Okay, this method, this class is inherited in our class. Now our class behaves like a mono behavior pun callbacks. It receives all the callbacks functions. We can override them, and here what we have done is on connected to master. We have override this method, and we will be like this will be calling, this method will be called whenever we connect to the photon. Okay friends, in last video I just told you to ever connect to the photon network. Photon, all you have to do is write photon network dot. If you want to auto complete your Visual Studio provides IntelliSense, just write photon and then just type photon control space. It gives you with the options what you can write. Photon network. For the IntelliSense part, you just have to type control plus space dot connect to master server. This thing, connect your photon master server by address, path, port, app id, everything. All these things we have to tell the photon, but we don't know the master server address and the port. All we know is the app id, that is on connect to as configured in the photon server setting files. And this what we normally use this function, because when we have copied our app id from the photon engine website, then we have the whenever this sdk photon sdk, this sdk is established in your project. If you just complete this, it also creates a it also creates a photon sdk, like it also creates photon settings. If you just go to here somewhere, there's like a file, like a scriptable object kind of file. My script is compiling, I think. Okay, here it is. It's getting a little bit okay. Now here, if you find, whenever it gets downloaded, it also stores or also creates some photons networking. Where it is, yep, you can just find it at somewhere here also. Okay, if you just go to the setting also, my PC is little bit slow. 1 second. Okay friends, okay friends, or whenever we have to connect to the photon, what we always do is write this statement: photon network dot connect using settings. This statement helps you to connect to the master servers or the photon SAS service by using this only. Means this is a static class that provides you these are all these methods are the statics. They are just have to call this method. Okay, whenever this method is called, this will be called, and to test this we will be writing a debug statement dot log. For right now, for this purpose, for the video purpose only, will be for here we'll be writing anything like we have connected to master. Okay, now we have connected to master. Now this function is called, and how we will know this function is been called? Whenever this script starts and this start function is called, then we do what we do, we connect to the using settings, and it calls, and this function will be called. Okay, let's friends save this and move to the Unity. Let's compile the script. So let's just save the scene. Okay, just run the game. Okay, let's just run the game. Okay, where's the, let's see, let's open a console window. Received UG update local value connected to, okay, okay friends, let's save this and let's move to the Unity, and just let's adjust our console window somewhere. Let's adjust it. Let's adjust it here or somewhere here. Yep. Okay. Okay friends. Okay friends, let's save the game. Okay friends, let's save the game and move to the photon. Okay, here we are. Let's play the game and let's see what message we get here. User ID. Okay, this method has been like connected to master. Okay, let's just double click. Here we got the message. If we just double click on it, then this thing open up like this. If you see this method what we have typed, if we just cross check it like this also, if we really want to know this is our message, not from somewhere else. Okay, let's just close this game, clear the console, save for here, and just really let it recompile. Okay, here it recompiles. Let's replay the game. Okay, you just saw this. Here it is friends. We just updated the log message, and here it's reflecting. So we right now know that our app is connecting to the master server, the photon server. So that's all for the today's video. We just saw how to just by using these kind, by just writing these three lines, we have just created, we have just established a connection to the Photon server. So it's not a very hard or big deal to set up a connection. All you just know how to use these classes efficiently. Because why we should write all the codes when they have already provided, or they have already implemented all these like callbacks or all these like function they are providing us, and we all just have to override them. Okay friends, that was for today's video. Thank you so much. In next video I'll be showing you how to find all the rooms and lobbies in the connected server, and also how to create a new room and join to that. Okay, that's for today's video. Thank you so much. If you like it, please, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to our channel. That will help a lot. Okay friends, to know your feedbacks, so that we can improve our content, and also to get the to get to also you can get a quick notification of the latest content coming up on this channel. Friends, will be very happy to help you with your all your doubts and all your queries. You just comment at the bottom of this video. There's a comment section. You just comment your feedbacks or your doubts or whatever you want to know about Unity, or whatever, what kind of new tutorials you want to know. Okay friends, bye bye. Thanks for the peaceful listening. Thanks, bye bye. Okay, bye.